Boys and girls, welcome to the escape room of figurative language. Our students are doing an escape room. We have 7 of those, and in each escape room they are practicing a reading skill. And they have to master that reading skill and decipher the codes and finally get a number so they can escape the room. They're trying to escape the Oz
What did you all
world.
put for that?
Because
Why?
comparing themselves to
Okay, perfect.
5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Where is it? You got it. We got it. You got it.
After me, author's purpose pie.
Author purpose pie
Is the reason why.
is the reason why
An author writes something.
author writes something.
The main purpose of this activity is to prepare for our upcoming reading benchmark. So we utilized our first benchmark data and looked at our lowest takes in order to see what skills we needed to hit for our activities that we were running.
Tell me.
Miss, it's comparing countries.
Okay, why is it comparing countries?
Because it's comparing Mexicans and Italians.
The food, right? We thought it was a good idea to bring it into the reading camp so that we get to focus on those standards that the kids did not do so well in.
It's a biography.
They get to review, we get to reinforce those skills and hope for better results.
That helps you understand.
Wait, don't put it in yet.